Hi everyone, once again I'm Akelo Katuma Kedron from Uganda, doing my week 3 questions. The first question wants us to talk about intersection scripts. To find the intersection of two sets without using the built-in method, I would choose a check and collect approach. My goal is to iterate through one set and check for the existence of those items in the second set. Here is a step-by-step approach. 1. I create an empty set called result to hold the matching items. 2. I identify the smaller of the two input sets. It's more efficient to loop through the smaller one. 3. I loop through each item in the smaller set. 4. Inside the loop, I check if that item exists in the larger set. Then finally, if it does exist in the larger set, I add it to my result set. Then to explain that more, in the big O performance, this approach is O into brackets n, where n is the size of the smaller set. This is because looking up an item in the set is the an O into brackets 1 operation on average. To ensure this works, I would run 3 test cases. Number 1 test case is no overlap. For example, set A is having 1 and 2 and set B is having 3 and 4. This result should be an empty set. Then test case 2 is identical sets, where if both sets are 1 and 2, the result should be 1 and 2. Then for the third test case is partial overlap. If set A is 1, 2, 3, then set B is 2, 3, 4, the result should be 2 and 3 because 2 and 3 appears in both sets. Then our second question is about union scripts. And to find the union of two sets, my approach is to simply combine all the elements into a new container. Since the data structure is a set, it automatically handles uniqueness, meaning I don't need to write extra logic to check for duplicates. Here is how the function would behave step by step. First, I create an empty set called result. Second, I iterate through the first and add every item into result. Third, I iterate through the second set and add every item into result. Then finally, I run the result set. Because it is a set, Any duplicates found in step 3 are automatically ignored. For the big O performance, this is O into brackets n and m, where m and n are the sizes of two sets. We have to touch every element exactly once, which makes this very efficient. Now to verify this, I will test it with 3 cases. Number 1 is the disjoint sets, where set A will have 1 and 2 and set B having 3 and 4. Then the result should combine them to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another test case would be identical sets. If both inputs are 1 and 2, adding them should still result into 1 and 2. Then the other test case is an empty set. If set A is empty and set B is the 1 and 2, then the result should be 1 and 2. Thank you.